Well, I think the main thing I see in biotech is that the opportunities are still out there. The path forward that I see is really biotech companies that are addressing high unmet medical needs, where there are opportunities to really make a difference in patient lives, and and do that in a way that is cost effective. And so I really see that as the big opportunity here. We have had a shakeout, and we are continuing to have a shakeout in the industry. I'm sure you know that 2020, 2021, there were a ton of biotech companies that transitioned from privately held to publicly held.
Right.
And we have seen losses in value, losses in market cap on the order of, in some cases, 95+% for a lot of these companies. Quite frankly, what I read in that is that if you look at the companies that have really floundered here in this market, they are companies that were founded on a technology but didn't have a product yet when they took that IPO plunge. Those are the ones that have taken the greatest beating in the marketplace. Those are the ones, quite frankly, that are going away because they can't raise that next round of capital. And so we're going to start seeing a vacuum here in the biotech space, in which there are now room for other companies with products. And I have a company called Reglogene, and we have a therapy that's in preclinical development. And I tell you, there's no way in the world I would do an IPO today. One, the market's bad, and two, it's too early. But you gotta do this at the right time, and the time is not now. I mean, if you're preclinical, absolutely the time is not now. But I think we're seeing a shakeout in the industry to where those that came on too fast are now exiting in a negative way. The companies are being liquidated, and the assets are being sold for whatever they can be sold for. And there's an opportunity there for investors, for new entrepreneurs, and for new technologies that are really product focused. Though you've got to have that product, that target product in mind right from the outset. The idea that one has great science that you're bringing out of a university or wherever, and can, and maybe if you plow money into my company, I might someday find a product that could make its way through the FDA and on to the market. That's bogus. No, that's the kind of thing you don't want to come out with now.